Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to be replacing the air fuel ratio sensor with some Nissan Maxima. So part number is 22693-ZX70A. And as always, I get it from the same dealership. So at the tax, came out to $182.95. So I got the hood pop open. You are going to need a 10 mil. You are going to need a swivel, short extension. I'm gonna use an impact. You are going to need a 7/8 22 mil deep socket oxygen sensor. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove 3 10 mils, which holds the air duct. So I'm gonna set you down on the tripod and we're going to begin. Drop that one right there. Right, I'll get that out in a second. It's sitting right here. So we're going to lift this up and then pull towards you. We're going to set that to the side. Alright, so first things first, we're going to disconnect this harness. So push down this tab and then pull out. Remove it from its little bracket right here. And then what we're going to do, we got a swivel, attach it, feed the, make sure it's flush. I'm gonna get my extension. And then we're gonna break it loose. It's broke loose because it started spinning a little. So now they're gonna take the rest out by hand. Alright, so now we're gonna get our new one. And it comes with NRCs already on it. So we're gonna put it into its, got it into its hole. And then we're gonna hand tighten it. And then while you tighten it, go like this around the harness. That way when you're turning it, the harness is turning with you. Alright. Now we're gonna put the harness back there. Get the swivel. Put it over. And I can't turn it anymore. So it's safe to use the impact. Alright, so the double lines is the bottom, and then that's the top. So feed it through, and it'll click into place. And then just, once you got it in, plugged in all the way, slide it into the grommet, or bracket. Next, we're gonna put the air duct back in. Put it up in an angle and slide in. And then once this is all in, slide it in, and then we're gonna put the 3 10 mil bolts back in. I'm gonna hand tighten them first and then do a final tighten with the impact. Alright, I'll switch to my 10. And voila. That's how you replace your air fuel ratio sensor on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. 8th gen is the same thing. Any other vehicles with the same exact part number and everything, like always, I'll have all of that information in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, see you in the next one. Peace.